Hi friends, this is Shravya. Now I am going to explain about selection sort. Selection sort, one of the simplest internal sorting technique. It involves selection of the smallest element from the given list and replacing it with the first element. Now we are going to see the logic. Array is considered into two parts, unsorted and sorted. Initially, whole array is unsorted. Let us take one example 1. Consider the following unsorted list. Step 1. The list is scanned for the smallest element. 2 is the smallest element and it is swapped with the first element, that is 7. In the unsorted list, after swapping, 2 becomes the sorted list. Step 2. The unsorted list again scanned for the smallest element. The smallest element is 4 and it is swapped with the first element, that is 5, in the unsorted list. After swapping, 4 becomes the sorted list. 3. Step the unsorted list again scanned for the smallest element, that is 5. The smallest element 5, it has to be swapped with the first element in the unsorted list, but 5 is the first element, so there is no need of swapping and 5 is moved to the sorted list. Step 4. The unsorted list again scanned for the smallest element, that is 7. It has to be swapped with the first element in the unsorted list, but 7 is the first element, so there is no need of swapping and 7 is also moved to the sorted list and we get the sorted array. Thanks for watching.